Hello, my name is Dinne from VectoriaDesigns, and if you might have seen in the tutorial video already, I have a new crafting kit for you, the Haunted House Crafting Printables kit. This is a mysteriously themed kit, but not super Halloween-y per se, so most of the printables can be used the whole year round. I made a tutorial with the printables of this kit to make a journal with a hidden spine and a pocket that holds the free Haunted Secrets booklet from a few weeks ago. In this video I'm going to show you a few of the printables from this kit and a flip through of the journal. You can find the whole tutorial to make everything in a separate video, the link is below. If you want to discover more information about this kit in our Etsy shop, the link for that is below as well. And now let me show you some of the printables and the journal. Let me show you a few of the printables. Now, most of these I'm going to use in the tutorial, but there are a lot more in this kit. So here are a few papers to start with. And I printed all the papers on 160 grams paper. That's nice and sturdy, not too flimsy to work with. From this paper, I'm probably going to use parts for the panels on the pocket. And then here's another one. This one I'm going to use for the cover of my journal. Now, hey, Dinne, this one's smaller than that one. Well, I printed it smaller on purpose. So in my print options, I can just lower the print percentages there. I'm not sure if every printer can do that, but I just have a simple normal household printer, nothing super fancy. So I printed it smaller so that it would fit nicely on a cover. Otherwise I would only have this part, for example, and now I can have this part. That's why. This one I'm probably going to use for the back cover, nice and simple, but it matches color-wise with this one. And then these I printed even smaller because I'm going to use them as the inside covers, but all these papers are full size. And then here are a few more papers that I'm not going to use, but I printed them off and I'm going to show you anyway. Oh, this is a beautiful paper. You will see these portraits coming back through the whole kit. And here's a paper as well with strips. You can use the whole paper as it is, but you can also use the strips separately. And these are a few sheets with embellishment. There are 15 in total. I just printed 3 to show you. This sheet has some fussy cuttings going on. Then here we have some tickets and circles, and well, you can see what it is. And then here's another one, beautiful tickets here, and there are also file folders included. And here are a few journal pages. These I printed on 80 grams paper. It's a little flimsy, I know, but you can also print them on sturdier paper if you like that. And my printer lines up front and back pretty well, so I printed a few of the journal pages double-sided, like these. So here are a few. Here are a few as well. These come in 3 sizes, by the way. And on these 3, I just printed a normal paper on the back. This paper can go in 2 directions, by the way. That's why I chose this one. So that's an option. You can also find for free a large number of vintage papers and just print that on the back. This is especially a good idea for printers who do not line up front and back very well. And then the last one. So these are a few of the journal pages that I have, a few embellishments and a bunch of papers. And I'm going to turn this into a gorgeous book. This is the back, this is the front. When I open it, we have our secret pocket here with our Haunted Secrets booklet freebie. And a whole journal here with regular papers, but also with these beautiful haunted house papers, and a beautiful bookmark that lets you know where you are. This is what it looks like on the back.